Take the shot!
Come on, Ricky.
Hello world, PDR coming at you here with a 2000 Mustang 4.6 GT. Real nice car for a real nice guy. One of my favorite people to work for ever is, take a look at some of the videos on the channel. He's got about 3 of the cars. So we had a little tiny dent up here that I got to about 90 to 95%. I'll mess with that little last bit of that dent, but we've got this normal dent right in the door. And if you see what I did here, I took these 2 little clips out just to see if I could get in there. I fished in there with my little twisty tool and found that I could get in there and touch it, but I didn't have the leverage. So I rolled down the window and I've got my wedge, my guard in there. And what we're gonna do is slide right in. Okay, this is kind of a tough dent to access, guys, because this dent is completely braced up. So the brace starts, let me just show you where the brace goes. That handle is the way the brace is. So it starts underneath this dent and it goes to over top of this dent. This one right here, I can just barely slide up to at this angle. And this one, I have to get to from this angle around that handle underneath. Kind of a weird little fishy dent. So it looks like a little tiny ding. It comes out super quick and super easy, but it's not. It's actually a little bit more involved in just getting to it. But I have done this for a while. And so let's see if my tool can get right up into that dent. And now that I'm right there, let me see if you guys have the right angle. And spill my coffee like I always do. And now that I'm looking into this, it's got a dent here, a real slight low here, and then that little one that I have to finish up top. So I don't know if you guys will be able to see this because I've got to get in here on it. But now that I am, I'll kind of just really slowly bringing this dent up. A couple of real solid pushes, and I'm in it to win it, guys. At this point is when I say I sure do appreciate everybody clicking on the video. Hope you can hear me all right. We don't have the microphone on right now, I just realized. But it's a really, really hot day out today, and it's not a cloud in the sky in the Pacific Northwest. It's about 80 already, and I assume it's probably going to get to be about 90 degrees today. But that dent is really close. I'd say now it's at the same point as that top one at 95%. That's when I have to do this, guys. So now we've got, if we look at it real carefully, which I know you guys will, and I know the customer will too, because he's very particular about this stuff. This happens to be a 2000 that's almost never been driven. It's real stock and nice. But I'm gonna get in here. Sorry about my hat being in the way. And I'm gonna find my spot. I don't know if you can find where I'm at, but I'm right on the center of that little low. A solid push right in there does the trick. Oh, guys, that's the one. And now, since I'm so confident about that being looking good, I'm gonna come around and get this other one that I said, this top little. Okay, so what I'm doing right here, guys, I know there's a little piece of rubber. I don't want to take this and jam it right through that rubber and rip anything. So if you see what I'm doing, this is over years of experience. I slide behind, I slide in front. So now I'm in front of both the rubber and the plastic, right where I need to be. It's got to make sure that thing is in the right spot before you do that. Otherwise you'll damage that rubber seal. And then when I slide in, baby it. Okay, I might have to open the door a little bit. That's why I've got this thing cocked open. When I don't have my, well, I have my jammer, but when I don't have it right and ready, see, I just hold it with my knee, and I can almost one-handed this one. Let's look up right here and finish this dent off, guys. So yeah, where am I? A little bit higher up. I gotta use 2 hands to get up here. We got to make this one. We got to make this one 99%, guys. Because we can, because we care. And if you see the way I'm pushing now, I just got my 2 fingers on this thing. I'm just giving it some bounces. That came out real nice. Real nice. So I can always go back and find this last little one now that I have a better angle on it. But wow, I'm gonna hit that up with some 3M Perfect It right now. And I'd say 2 little tiny dents done, but you guys only got to see one of them. The end result on that last one, but very nice. And yeah, little tiny, what I normally do in a couple of minutes, I can sit here and spend easily 10 minutes on this last little piece to make sure it's up to that 99%, but I think I just got it. Where are we at? Where are we at? Boom, 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 baby. That's it, right there. Yeah. Knowing when to stop at that 99% mark, I don't even think I need to, I mean, I will buff it, but I don't think I need to buff it for the video. We're looking pretty darn good there, guys. If you like what you see, hit me up with a like. Other than that, this has been PDR and I'm out. Peace. Okay, guys, I thought I'd bring you back in after I gave it a little buff, polish, and show you the end result. And I would say we got this little guy to 99%, this little guy to 98%, maybe that guy to 97%. But yeah, we really dialed in and got that thing looking good. I think the only thing that really could even be found is just a oversized orange peel that if you look down the car, I mean, I think it came out pretty darn nice. So this one will do a double outro, double piece. Thanks for sticking around with me, and hit that like button on the way out. This has been PDR and I'm out. Peace.